Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn what should be done until the lemon seed germinates on a napkin and becomes a tree that will bear fruit. What should be the soil that should be used in this process and what kind of fertilizer we should use. Let's watch it together to learn what they are. Now let's come to the germination and the liquid fertilizer that we will use after. Put the onion skins, which can be any color onion skins, in a saucepan filled with water. Add 1 egg to it. This mixture accelerates germination and also plays a big role in plant development after germination. Boil until the color of the water darkens. Strain with the help of strainer and separate the water. Leave this water to cool for at least a day. After we let it wait enough, we will dilute it by adding 5 cups of water to a glass of onion juice and use it. Now about our soil mixture. Add 3 liters of flower soil, half a liter of coconut peat and mix it. The soil in which the seeds that we will germinate on the napkin will continue their development after germination will be this soil mixture. Let's start the germination process. Cut the lemon in half in the middle. I'm separating the lemon here by cutting around the lemon without inserting the knife into the middle of the lemon, so you won't damage the cores that are in the middle. Peel the shells of the seeds so that they germinate more comfortably. Before peeling the shells of the seeds, let them dry on a napkin for about an hour, so you can peel the shells of the seeds more conveniently. Put the peeled lemon seeds on a napkin. Let the napkin be 2 to 3 layers, not 1 layer. Move the seeds a little away from one another, so that their sprouts do not get entangled with one another when germinating. Wet the napkin thoroughly with the liquid fertilizer we have prepared. Place the soaked napkin in a plastic container. Soak it a little bit more. We don't need to drill a hole on a container because the oxygen inside will be enough for germination. For germination to be more guaranteed, the seeds should not see light. Put them in a dark bag. Since we provide moisture and oxygen, it is necessary to provide a heat, which is another factor necessary for germination. This temperature should be at least 20 degrees. A sunny window front will help you with this. After a maximum of 4 or 5 days, open it to check the seeds inside the napkin. As proof that the process we are doing are correct, you can see that our seeds are germinating. Transfer the soil mixture that we prepared to the beginning of the video to these containers so that there is a finger space on top, and soak the soil with liquid fertilizer. We will ensure that the germinated lemon seeds continue their development in these containers for a while longer. Let's start transferring the germinated lemon seeds to this soil. Do not lay it sideways on the soil in this way. Insert the white part of the root into the soil. This white place you are seeing right now is root formation. It should be in the soil. Keep the green part out. In this way you can transfer the cores to the soil. Now we are gonna put the other seeds in the soil as well. After we put the seeds in the soil, we also cover the remaining finger space with soil. Again, soak the soil abundantly with our liquid fertilizer. For a better development, the soil needs to be warm. It will be better to put it in a sunny place. As here, new leaves begin to appear within 3 to 4 days. How should we do the irrigation? It will be enough to slightly wet some places where the top of the soil is dry. When you dig into the soil with your finger, you can see that the soil is still moist. Soak it in a small amount so that it does not dry out anymore. Never do this wetting process under the sun either. It is the most convenient time after the sun is going down. We cannot leave the sprouted lemons in the small containers, so first soak the soil of the lemon that we will remove from the vial abundantly, so that the roots will not be damaged when removing it from the container. It is necessary to transfer them to pots where they will continue to root and stem development for at least 1 year. When we do watering, I put stones at the bottom of the pot so that the soil does not flow out of the holes at the bottom of the pot. I use the soil mixture that we have been using since the beginning. Carefully remove our lemon from the soil which has been truly soaked with the help of a spoon. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on the roots to support root development. Place it in a pot and fill it in the soil. Give its first water, that is, a live water. Put our flower pot in a place with plenty of sun. After about a year, when the stem of your lemon sapling reaches the thickness of your pinky finger, you can cut a 1-year-old branch from another lemon sapling that gives lemons. And you can graft it to your own lemon sapling and collect a lot of lemons. You can find more detailed videos about how lemon grafting is done from my channel. We have come to the end of another video. I'm waiting for your comments under the video. If you also like this video of mine, please do not forget to click on likes, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to watch my next videos. Thank you for watching.